Hello, welcome to another API sound and visual case study video. Today we are looking at Bethesda Baptist Church in Rogerstone near Newport, South Wales, and there's been a church on this site since 1742. The current building is the fourth building and was built in 1996 to a modern design and has excellent internal facilities. API sound and visual were called in to replace an aging projection system, and the preferred replacement option was to have two large flat screens, one either side of the front dais. For this we used 𝐼𝐼 professional 86-inch screens, which are quite hefty beasts. These were mounted on custom bracketry to allow us to mount them across the angle, thus giving them the correct presentation towards the congregation. You'll see here we also installed two remote pan tilt zoom cameras, one showing a view from the rear of the church and the other one a reverse angle from the front of the church. This allows the customer to pick a wide variety of shots throughout the service to create a very engaging streaming feed. At the rear of the church we were also asked to install a rear confidence monitor, so we fitted a 55-inch screen above the entrance portico, which gives those on stage a really clear view of what is happening on the screens to either side of them. At the same time as upgrading the visual system, we also installed a new 24-channel digital mixing desk and stage box, allowing the church to save many of their settings from week to week, speeding up the setup time. The accessibility of the system was also greatly improved by allowing the user to control the system from an iPad app, which meant that even those unfamiliar with the full desk layout were able to operate the basic functions of the system. You will see on the left hand side of the top of the desk a 32 button Stream Deck control unit, which we custom program to allow the user to pick from a range of preset camera positions as well as offering manual control. This just offers simple plain English calling of shots, say pulpit, lectern, etc., and it also has full control of the video switching for the projection system and also the switching and control of the streaming output and any effects on the streaming mixer. Again, this brings democracy of operation by automating many of the control functions of the Blackmagic switcher into simple single button pushes, again marked in plain English, so with a little training anyone can operate the system. We hope you found this video both useful and inspiring. You can contact us on info@apicommunications.co.uk or have a look at our website churchsoundsystems.co.